Hi YouTubers, it's me again, and today I'm going to open up the Thomas & Friends Minis Wave 3. These were the first two Wave 3 items I've got, Racer Thomas and Classic Bill. Let's open up 54. Let's see what we're gonna get. You get a checklist and Neon Ironbirds. Wiry. You can tell in the comments below. Next is this item number 55. Let's see what we're gonna get. You get a classic Luke. Looks stunning, doesn't it? And this last one I've got is... Who's it gonna be? You'll have to tell me. It's... Spooky Porter. There you have it. My first Wave 3 Thomas items. These were the ones I first got, and these are the ones I got now. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.